How is the MLB strike zone officially defined? Imagine a pitcher throwing a ball towards a batter, and the umpire has to decide if it's a strike or a ball. But what exactly makes that call? The official definition of the Major League Baseball strike zone is a specific area over home plate where a pitch must pass through to be called a strike if the batter does not swing. This zone is based on the batter's stance and body size, making it a dynamic area rather than a fixed box. The top of the strike zone is a horizontal line at the midpoint between the top of the batter's shoulders and the top of their uniform pants. The bottom of the zone is a line just below the kneecap. The width of the zone is the full width of home plate, which measures 17 inches. When a pitcher throws a pitch, if any part of the ball passes through this defined area while the batter is in their natural stance, it is called a strike. If the batter swings and makes contact, the pitch is automatically a strike, no matter where it is in relation to the zone. The umpire makes the call after the pitch crosses the plate, but the batter's stance and height influence the zone's size. Taller players tend to have a larger strike zone, while shorter players have a smaller one. This means the same pitch location might be a strike for one batter and a ball for another. The strike zone has evolved over time. Before 1969, it extended from the armpits to the top of the knees. In 1969, it was changed to start from the top of the knees and go up to the midpoint between the top of the shoulders and the top of the uniform pants. Then in 1996, the lower boundary was moved slightly lower, just below the kneecap, making the zone a little bigger. These changes affected how often pitchers strike batters and how often batters draw walks, which are key parts of controlling the strike zone. In the context of pitching and defense metrics, controlling the strike zone is very important. When pitchers throw within the zone consistently, they are more likely to record strikeouts and avoid walks. This helps keep their earned run average low and improves their strikeout to walk ratio. Batters who recognize pitches outside the zone tend to take more walks and have higher on-base percentages. Understanding the official definition helps explain why some pitches are called strikes and others are balls. It also helps us see how changes over the years have influenced player statistics. The size and shape of the strike zone directly impact how often players strike out or walk, shaping the way the game is played today.